welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here downstairs outside my flat. I tried to brought my pigeon because maybe he will fly away. So it's his second day or it's his second afternoon that we brought him outside. But so far, as we've noticed, he's not really interested to fly away. Hello guys, dinala ko si Birdie sa pangatlong beses na. Birdie, hello Birdie, oh. Birdie, do you wanna fly away? Huh? You can fly away. It's fine. Birdie. Ayan o, tingin talaga siya sa paligid. Bye, Birdie. Do you want to fly, Birdie? Huh? Want to fly? So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching with my birdie. Ayan, ang haba ng leeg. Tingin-tingin siya sa itaas. Si Pigeon.